Well, it's a theme that we've been on here for a couple months, so it kind of predates all the cold weather. I think natural gas has been improving in basing really for the better part of the last 6-7 months. And these equities are really now starting to get in gear. You're seeing the leadership really start to emerge. Three stocks in particular stand out here. One is EQT, really starting to break out after about a 2.5-year consolidation. Remember, all these peaked around the energy top in early 22, so they've kind of spent their time in purgatory. They've turned 60 on EQT, I think is an appropriate target here. But more importantly, it's really starting to outperform. It's outperforming the S&P, which is a very, very high bar. Antero Resources, AR, is the second one. 45 would be our target there. And then lastly, Baker Hughes. It's already broken out. It's really been the leader in this group. I think it's best of breed in terms of these natural gas stocks. Would certainly belong there.
Yeah.
Karen Chenier, I think it was within $1 or so of an all-time high, like many.
I haven't owned Chenier in like a decade.
Yeah, but I think of Karen when I think of Chenier.
Thank you.
I think of Karen often, but and EQT, absolutely, I think. And throw Devon in the mix as well, which seemingly, again, one of these bearish to bullish reversals. Nat gas story is real. I mean, back in the day, we used to call it the Widowmaker, and having more than doubled now since the spring, you know why.
When was the last time you owned Chenier? Seriously,
long
10 years ago.
But Golar I have owned for a super long time. They are in the LNG, liquefied natural gas transportation space.
Right, and that is the ticker.
GLNG.
Yeah.
Go long.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go long.
Yes. Chris, what else are you seeing for the energy space, which was a dog in general?
Yeah, it's funny. It's the one sector where the equal weight composition of the sectors is actually doing better than the cap weight. I mean, everywhere you look, it's cap weight over equal weight, except energy. So the average energy stock means it's outperforming Exxon, Chevron, all the big ones. I think that's an important psychological shift within the group. Crude, back to a tough spot here, though. Crude's rallied right back to the 200-day moving average. I think the trend is neutral. I wouldn't press my luck in oil stocks.
Are you putting an oil stock into your acronym?
Thinking about, well, first I have to come up with an acronym, which is a word made up of letters, right? And I typically do like
words are usually made up with letters.
That's a fair point,
in the English language, at least.
Well, I mean, last year we learned differently, though. Yeah. There were some acronyms.
Well, that's a good point. Okay.
But I think there might be an energy play in there. Chris might have actually just said the name of Inspired.
Interesting.
Yeah.
EQT, I think.
Look at you.
That's my guess for you.
That could be the E in whatever.